Bingo Cash account login uses your registered phone number and an SMS verification code. So if you're waiting for an email code that never arrives, check whether you're using the correct sign-in method first. By the end, you'll know what to check when Bingo Cash verification isn't arriving, how to confirm the account details you're using, and what to do if you still can't access your account. First, check whether Bingo Cash is actually asking for an email verification code. For existing user login, Bingo Cash's official process uses your registered phone number and sends a verification code by SMS. Open Bingo Cash, go to Y account and select IT Sign In under Oniri existing user GAN. Enter the phone number connected to your account and wait for the SMS verification code. If you're expecting an email because you recently changed account information or contacted support, check your email spam, junk, promotions, and blocked sender folders. Search your mailbox for Bingo Cash or EP Papaya Gaming, instead of relying only on the inbox. Next, confirm that you're checking the email address associated with the account. If you have multiple email addresses, search each one for previous Bingo Cash messages to identify which address is connected to your account. If the verification message still doesn't appear, don't repeatedly request new codes. Confirm your phone number and email address first, then try the sign-in process again. Also, check your phone's cellular connection if you're waiting for an SMS. Make sure your device can receive normal text messages and that you entered the same phone number originally registered with Bingo Cash. If you've changed your phone number, Bingo Cash has a separate process for updating a registered number. That process requires information connected to the old number, new number, and account email. Don't create a second Bingo Cash account just because the verification message isn't arriving. Your original account contains your existing game information, so account recovery should be handled through that profile. If you've confirmed the correct phone number and email address but still can't receive the required verification message, contact Bingo Cash support. Tell support whether you're missing an SMS or an email. Provide the registered phone number and account email, and include a screenshot of the verification screen if possible. If you see a specific error message, include that exact message in your support request. It gives them a clearer starting point than simply saying the verification code isn't working. So the main fix is to identify whether Bingo Cash is requesting SMS or email verification, confirm the registered account details, check spam folders for email, and avoid creating a second account. Your next step is to open Jakauni, choose Sign In under existing user, and verify that you're using the phone number connected to your Bingo Cash account. If this fixed your Bingo Cash verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.